Hello, this is Peggy Healy Stearns, lead designer for FabMaker Studio. Today's FabMaker quick tips are on the Align tool found in the Properties panel in the upper right. To open the panel, select the Properties tab at the top of the color palette. The Align tool is here. You can align objects horizontally, left, center, right, or vertically, top, middle, bottom. First, select all the objects you want to align by dragging around them or shift selecting. Then select the direction. Objects align with each other. They do not align with the page. For example, if you choose Align Left, objects move so their left sides align with the object farthest left. Select the same objects and align Center, align right, align top, align middle, align bottom. You can align the same objects both horizontally and vertically. For example, to center all the objects on top of each other, choose Center horizontally and Middle vertically. So, align tips. Select the objects you want to align. Choose the direction you want to align. Align objects both horizontally and vertically to center them. Play around. Imagine how you would use this tool. Have fun!